Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x power 3 plus y power 3 is equals to 5, x power 2 plus y power 2 is equal to 3. To find the value of x and y from these two systems of equations. So first, we should relate that this as equation 1 and this equation 2. Then from equation 1, in this x power 3 plus y power 3, we'll apply a rule that x plus y bracket power 3 is equal to x power 3 plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y power 3. Now from here, x power 3 plus y power 3 is this x power 3 y power 3. So it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to, we take this and this into this side, so it will be this x plus y bracket power 3, then this we take to this side, it will be minus 3x square y, and this we take into this side, it will be minus 3xy square. So it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to x plus y bracket power 3. Then in here and here, negative 3xy is common, we take out of bracket. Then this divided by this is x, this divided by this is y, so it will be plus y bracket. So in this x power 3 plus y power 3, we'll substitute this. Then the first equation will be this, which is x plus y bracket power 3 minus 3xy bracket x plus y bracket is equal to this 5. So this will let us equation 3. Then in next step, from the second equation, x square plus y square is equals to 3. From here in the left side, we will apply a rule again, which is x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So from this x square plus y square is this. So we'll take this 2xy into this side. So it will be x square plus y square is equal to this x plus y bracket square. Then this one we take to this side to be minus 2xy. So we will substitute this into here. Then our equation will be x plus y bracket square minus 2xy is equal to 3. So this will let us equation 4. Then in next step, from equation 3 and 4, we can see x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. So we let a is equal to x plus y, and also let b is equal to, in here you can see xy, xy, so let b is equal to xy. Then from equation 3, it will be x plus y is a, so it will be a power 3, then minus 3, xy is b, then x plus y is a is equal to this 5. So this will let us equation 5. Then from equation 4, which is this, x plus y is a, so it will be a square, then minus 2 xy is b is equal to this 3. So this will let us equation 6. Then from here, this equation 5 and 6, we are going to find the value of a and b. Then after we find the value of a and b, we are going to find the value of x and y. From this a, we substitute the value of a, and here we substitute the value of b, so as you can find the value of x and y. So from equation 6, because this is easy, so from equation 6 it will be a square, then this 3 we take into the left side, so it will be minus 3 is equal to this negative 2b we take into the right side, so it will be 2b. Then we divide by 2 in both sides, so these 2 and this will cancel, then it will be b is equal to a square minus 3 over 2. Now from here, after we already get the value of b, which is this, we substitute this value of b into equation 5. So it will be, from equation 5 is a power 3, then minus 3b, 3b is this, so we substitute this, which is a square minus 3 over 2 bracket, then a is equal to this 5. Then it will be a power 3 negative 3 times a square, it will be negative 3a square times a, it will be negative 3a power of 3. Then from negative 3 times negative 3, it will be positive 9. Positive 9 times a, it will be positive 9a. Then remember it was over 2, so in here all this was over 2, then is equal to this 5. Then to cancel this denominator, we'll multiply by 2 in both parts. So in here we multiply by 2, and in here we multiply by 2. Note that in here this was here bracket, and in here also we'll multiply by 2. So it will be, these 2 will cancel these 2, it will be 2a power 3, then it will be this, because these 2 and this will cancel, so it will be negative 3a power 3 plus 9a is equal to this 10. So 2a power 3 minus 3a power 3 is negative a power 3, then plus 9a, we take 10 into the left side, so it will be minus 10 is equal to 0. Then the next step, because here it is negative, we divide the whole equation by negative 1. So here it will be positive a power 3, this will be minus 9a, and this negative will be positive 10 is equal to 0. Then from this cubic equation, we solve it by because from here this 10, the factors of this 10. What are the factors of 10? The factors of 10 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, and plus or minus 10. So we test starting from the lowest factor. So let's test for a is equal to 1. So we substitute here 1, it will be 1 power of 3 is 1, negative 9 times 1 is negative 9, then plus this 10. So it will be equal to 1 minus 9 is negative 8 plus 10, negative 8 plus 10, it will be negative 2. Now negative 2 is not equal to 0, so this is not possible for the value of a is equal to 1. Now let's test for this 2. A is equal to 2. So we'll substitute here 2 to be 2 power of 3, it is 8. Then minus 9 times 2, it will be minus 18. Then plus this 10 is equal to, 8 minus 18 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 10, it is 0. So it's true for the value of a is equal to 2. Now from a is equal to 2, we solve by synthetic division. So we take this cubic equation, we divide by this value of a is equal to 2 so as to get quadratic equation. So from this cubic equation, let's rewrite it, which is a power of 3 minus 9a then plus 10 is equal to 0. And for the value of this a is equal to 2, so we divide by a is equal to 2. Now let's start synthetic division. Now the coefficient of a power 3, it is 1. Coefficient of a power of 2, there's no a power of 2, so coefficient of a power of 2, it is 0. Coefficient of a, it is negative 9, and constant is 10. Then we draw here a line, then we drop this one into here. Then 2 times 1, it is 2. Then 0 plus 2, it is 2. Again 2 times 2, it is 4. Negative 9 plus 4, it is negative 5. 2 times negative 5, it is negative 10. 10 plus negative 10, it is 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation is coefficient of a square is 1, coefficient of a is 2, so it will be plus 2a, and constant is negative 5, then bracket, then multiply by, for a is equal to 2, with in here a is equal to 2, we take 2 into the left side, so it will be a minus 2. So it will be a minus 2. So this linear equation times this quadratic equation is equal to this cubic equation, so it will be equal to 0. So in the first step, from here we have two solutions, this and this solution. So let's start to deal with this linear equation of a is equal to negative 2 to find the value of a and b. Then after finding the value of a and b, we are going to find the value of x and y. From only this a is equal to 2, then after we'll find for this quadratic equation. Now from here this a minus 2 is equal to 0, so a will be equal to 2. Then from a is equal to 2, to find the value of b, from b is this, so it will be b is equal to a square, it will be 2 square, which is 4, then minus 3 over this 2. Then it will be b is equal to 4 minus 3, it is 1, then over 2. So we already get the value of a and the value of b. Now to find the value of x and y, from here a is x plus y and b is xy. So from a is equal to x plus y, we substitute the value of a, which is 2, so it will be 2 is equal to x plus y. And from b is equal to x y, we substitute the value of b, which is a half, so it will be a half is equal to x y. Then from here, these two equations, we are going to apply the rule, which is x minus y bracket square is equal to x plus y bracket square minus 4xy. So we are going to find the value of x minus y first, then we compare with this x plus y so as to find the value of x and y. So it will be x minus y bracket square is equal to x plus y, it is this 2, so it will be 2 square, then minus 4 times xy, it is this a half, so it will be times a half, then it will be x minus y bracket square is equal to, this is 4, then this and this will cancel, it will be minus 2, so it will be x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 minus 2, it is 2, then we apply square root in both sides, so this square root will cancel this square, then it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. So from x minus y is equal to square root of 2, we compare with this x plus y is equal to 2, so as to find the value of x and y. Then so it will be from x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y, which we found is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. Then we solve these two equations, which are simultaneous equation, by elimination. So let's add these two equations. So x plus x is 2x, y plus negative y is 0, so it will be equal to 2, then plus this plus or minus square root of 2. Then we divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel, so it will be x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1, then plus or minus square root of 2 divided by 2. Then from here, to make this simple, we can multiply by square root of 2 in both sides in this part, so it will be x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2 over 2 square root of 2. So this will cancel by 1 and this will cancel by 1, so it will be x is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 over square root of 2. So from here we have two solutions of x, whereas because of plus or minus, so for x, first value of x, it will be equal to, when it is positive, it will be 1 plus 1 over square root of 2. Then to find the value of y from this x1, which is this, from this x plus y is equals to 2, so from x plus y is equal to 2, to find the value of y, we take this x into this side, so it will be y is equals to 2 minus x, then it will be y is equal to 2 minus x is this for this x1, so it will be bracket 1 plus 1 over square root of 2 bracket, then it will be y is equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1, then this negative and this positive, it will be negative 1 over square root of 2. So for the first solution, this is y1, so the first value of x, and let's say x comma y is equal to, for the value of x, it is this, so it will be 1 plus 1 over square root of 2, comma y, it is this, which is 1 minus 1 over square root of 2. So this is one of the solution of x. And to find the other solution of x, because in here we have plus or minus, so for the second value of x is equal to 1 minus 1 over square root of 2. Then from here x plus y is equals to 2. To find the value of y, we take x into the right side, so it will be y is equal to 2 minus x. So it will be y is equal to 2 minus x So it will be bracket, we substitute this. So it will be 1 minus 1 over square root of 2 bracket. Then it will be y, which is y2, is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. This negative and negative, it will be positive 1 over square root of 2. Therefore, for the second values of x and y, let's write it x comma y bracket is equal to x, which is x2. X2 is this. So it will be 1 minus 1 over square root of 2 bracket, then comma y, which is y2, is this 1 plus 1 over square root of 2, then bracket. So this is the other values of x and y. Then we remember this was the solution for only a minus 2. Then we should find again the solution for this a square plus 2a minus 5. So we want to complete this, so let's write it to just how to do it. From a square minus 2a square plus, it was a square plus 2a minus 5 is equal to 0. Then from here we solve this by quadratic equation, by quadratic formula. So to find the value of a, it will be equal to negative b is 2 plus or minus square root of b square. It will be 2 square, which is 4, minus 2ab. So it will be 2 times a is 1, times b is negative 5, then over 2 times a is 1. No, this you know quadratic formula here, it is 4. It is negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here it is 4, a is 1, b is negative 5. So it will be a is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4. Negative 4 times negative 5, it is positive 20, then over 2. Then it will be a is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 24 is same as square root of 4 times 6, then over 2. So it will be a is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 6. Then we divide by 2, and here divide by 2. So it will be a is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1 plus or minus this, and this will cancel, so it will be square root of 6. So this is the value of a. Then we will find the value of b from the value of b we are going to find from here. Then after we get the value of b from here, we are going to substitute the value of a in here and value of b in here. Then we find the value of x and y. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.